Hey, what's going on, everybody? So listen, you guys know my name is Yusef Scott, also referred to as the Forex GOAT. I want to welcome you guys here to the So Darn Easy Forex movement, where I have people just like you from all across the world to change your perspective on how you see the Forex market so you can eventually trade the Forex market for profit. All right, now listen, as I tell you guys all the time, very thankful to have you guys here. I realize you guys could be just laying in bed doing nothing right now. You guys could be out and about with your family right now. You guys could be doing something totally different. Maybe you could be on somebody else's YouTube channel, but you're watching this video. Maybe perhaps someone on YouTube, someone from one of your groups, your Forex groups, told you, hey, listen, watch this guy's videos. This guy, he's solid. Maybe someone you know told you about me and you're watching this video. Regardless of the case, you're watching this video, so I want to thank you for being here. All right? Now listen, as I always tell you guys, if you're not yet following us on social media, that's Facebook and that's Instagram, you guys, you want to get connected with us over there. And remember, if you're not yet a part of the 134,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel, get subscribed. And remember, follow us on Vimeo as well. Now listen, over the years, of course, being in my position, you guys should already know that you're always ridiculed for things that you do. Everything that you do and everything that you say, the way that you look, things like that are always picked apart at. And when in life, in general, when you're doing something that's not a part of the norm, when you're talking in a different way, or when they're expecting you to act this way or react this way because everyone is acting that way and you don't, you stand out. Now, regardless of what position that I hold right now, over the years, I've had people who told me, hey, listen, what's going on, man? How in the world are you trading with how's it that all of your trades you open up, you have these trades running and you never have any commission on your trades? You must be trading with a demo account. Okay. And I've gotten this over, a number of, over the last few years, people, they always say this. And so I thought I would finally address this because I know what it's like being on the outside and not knowing. And really, it's not so much about people people are just unaware of what you can do in the market. People are just unaware of certain things. So I'm going to enlighten everyone. I'm going to enlighten the entire world who watch my videos. How is it that I do this? How is it that I'm able to trade with a commission-free account? Okay, I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to explain to you guys how you can do it. Okay, because I want you guys to know every broker is different. Okay, every broker is different. Brokers, they're going to have different fees. They're going to be commission that you're going to have to pay when you open up your trades. The spreads are wider, some are tighter. There's just a lot of things that from one broker to the next, you're going to find a difference. And as a trader, one thing that I tell people is that, yes, you should be conscious of the fees that one broker would charge versus another. But do not allow those fees to keep you away from trading. Example, if I see an opportunity in the market, the way that I think is, I think that as long as I'm getting in at the right place, commission, spreads, swap, it shouldn't take me out of the market. I should be able to get into that market and make a considerable amount of profit without having to worry about a couple days worth of swap to take me out. Okay? These fees are based on what you trade, based on the volume you set. So when you think about that, if you're always getting in at a certain point in the market, and let's say you're always getting in at great entry places, and the market goes up or the market goes down, you should be protected. But the problem is that people are not getting in. They don't know where to get into. They don't know where to get into the market at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how is it that I'm able to trade with a commission-free account. Okay? For those of you who know, I trade with TradersWay, and I'm going to explain to you guys how it is that I do it. Okay? Let's go over to their website. All right. So if you look to the right, you will see that there's a little small excerpt from the TradersWay website that I've put onto the screen. I want you guys to follow along with me. For those of you who are not going to follow along, you just go to the website. I want you guys to see this for yourself. I'm going to also leave the link to this page in the description so you can read it for yourself. But I'm going to explain how to get there anyway. So when you go to the TradersWay website, excuse me, on the right hand side, on the right hand column, there's going to be, second from the top, it's going to be a link called YS. Click on that. Then now on this page, there's going to be, on the left hand column, there's going to be a list of options. The fourth from the top, click on low commissions. Now remember, the reason why I'm making this video is because some of you think that because I trade as I do, you guys think that everyone who's trading, who's doing very well for themselves, got to be on a demo account. Okay, so, and now I get people who say, okay, this guy, he's definitely trading on a demo account because how could there be no commissions when he opened up his trades and there's never a commission? Okay, if I was trading with FX Choice, that would be one thing, but I'm trading with TradersWay. Now, TradersWay is my go-to broker. So let me explain to those of you who maybe you're not aware of this, because by default, when you go to open up a TradersWay account, you're opening up an ECN account. But I don't trade with ECN. I trade with a variable USD account. Okay? So if you want to trade the same type of account that I trade, you need to trade with a variable USD. Oftentimes it'll be, VAR USD or USD VAR, but it's variable USD. Okay, so this is what TradersWay offer its customers who trade with their accounts, and it's right here. So let me read this. I want you guys to follow along. Excuse me. It says low commissions. Our trade commissions are very low and apply in different ways. Okay, pay attention. If you trade on a standard, for those of you who do not know, maybe you haven't been trading long enough, you don't know this, you're not aware of this, but a standard is $10 per pip. Okay? $10 per pip, which is 1.00. Okay? If you trade on a standard, our commissions is already included in the spread, and we do not charge any other fees. Okay? For those of you who watch me, you do your investigation, you're looking to try to find, oh, this guy, he's this, he's that. I trade at $15 per pip. So that exceeds the minimum for you to roll into this low commission offer that they have. So I'm trading at a standard and a half on every trade. So that means I get to enjoy having the commission rolled into the spread. Okay? So you won't have to worry about having that commission column showing that there's a commission coming out. It's already factored in the spread. The spread may be slightly larger, but it's factored in. So if you're not aware of this, let this right here prove to you that you can trade with a commission-free account. There's going to be a swap associated, plus or minus, but on the commission side, you won't always see a commission there. Now, if I was trading with anything less than one standard, that's something totally different. Most people are not trading, or let me back up. a lot of people who trade on the Forex market, people just entering in on the Forex market, if your volume, if your leverage is set improperly, even if it's high or low, depending on how much you have in your account, you won't be able to trade a standard. So I want you all to really comprehend this. It's that simple. It's right there in black and white. Someone like me who is able to trade more than $10 per pip, a standard, I can enjoy having the commission rolled into the spread, which would in terms be a commission-free account. It's right here in black and white. And if you do not believe this, if you think this is just whatever, contact TradersWay yourself and find out. It's that simple. So I thought I would clear the air so that everyone would know this. I know that some people, you're just not aware of it because when you go to open up your account, you know, most people, when they open up any type of account, they don't read all the details. They just open up the account based on what someone told them, you know, hey, listen, do this, that, and the third. You just open up the account. You really don't know what you're doing. You don't read all the details. So this is in black and white. I think it's very important that if you're going to place your money, your hard-earned money inside of some broker's account, especially a broker like TradersWay who's overseas, you should know all the details that goes along with you putting your money inside of that account. You should know everything about that account. And it's not my fault that there are a lot of people who do not read, they do not comprehend what's in black and white. You have to take time to read this stuff because this is the way that you are supposed to make your money. All right, so why would I want to do anything other than trade with a low commission, commission-free account? No, why would I want to do that? So I would say definitely think about this. You know, once you get to a level where you can trade at that type of volume, think about it. You know, it'll behoove you to use an account like this. All right, so I just wanted to really clear the air, let everyone know how you can trade, how you can enjoy a commission-free account. It's that simple. Trade at more than one standard and you're able to do it. Those trades you want to worry about having a commission on. So it's that simple. Hopefully this cleared the air. Hopefully you guys will comprehend this and it'll make sense. Okay? So you guys already know, if you're not yet connected with us on social media, that's Facebook and that's Instagram, get connected with us over there. If you're not yet a part of the almost 135,000 people who are subscribed on this YouTube channel, get subscribed, and remember, if you're not yet following us on Vimeo, we're over there as well. You guys know, my name is Yusef Scott, the Forex GOAT. I'll see you guys real soon. Alright? Peace.